Today, we're making Tex-Mex baked eggs. This is a great way to use up leftover taco mince. It's one of Matt and I's favorite recipes, and it's really easy and really quick to make. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our taco mince and we're gonna put it into our baking dish, and we're going to organize it so that we have these little pockets that are gonna contain our eggs. Then we're gonna break our eggs into each of those little holes. And then we're gonna sprinkle cheese over the top. And really, that's all there is to it. It's a really easy way to use up that leftover taco mince and make it different to the tacos that you had last time. I make this a lot. I actually make the taco mince specifically to make this recipe because Matt and I love it so much. Then the last thing that you need to do is go ahead and put it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes until those eggs are baked and that cheese is nice and melted and golden brown. And really, that's all you need to do. You can go ahead and serve it up with some leafy greens or some green vegetables that have been steamed. I'm just having it with a very simple salad tonight. I hope you make this. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments if you decide to make it, what you thought of it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.